Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website rubbleclothing.com. So I'm on a home page, and I will just close this one. I love the logo, and it kind of really suits your brand name. I love the information about the free shipping in the top banner, which is great. Very user-friendly navigation. Mm, Okay, you pay for perfect monochrome, so you are selling monochrome clothing, which is perfect. Okay, clothing is born. Okay, I see. So monochrome color clothing and accessories, and you can also customize, which is great. Let me just check the collection page and product page first. So women's, I mean, it's technically right. I would put as more SEO friendly title than just women. So you can put monochrome clothing and accessories, which will help you get found in more relevant search results in Google. I love those hats, personalized unisex sweat, necklace, cuffed beanie. Okay, I mean you've got strong branding and you've got an idea for this business, and I love the logo hats, women's hoodie. Again, the title is not SEO friendly, so make sure that it's a little bit more specific. Much more SEO friendly title for the product would be mm, women's pull over hoodie with kangaroo pockets, because there are kangaroo pockets. You can put, okay, so different colors. So because women's hoodie is just too competitive, there's so many websites that rank on Google, including all of the major brands such as Adidas, Nike, and so on. They rank for this kind of for this kind of phrase. So you have to be much more specific with your keyword selection, with your titles, to get ranked in the relevant search, but also get ranked at the top as a brand new store. You've got two different size guides, so make sure to specify why they are different, whether the first one is for women's sizes, the other one is for men's sizes, because otherwise it just feels too confusing, because there are two different measurements for the same size, so make sure to specify it. Okay, so there are relevant products here as well, so personalized. People can personalize the product as well. Mm, You need to, okay, personalized design. Create personalized design. Okay, so it loads. Okay, so I can outline the color and put a year. Okay, it's quite nice actually. Okay, and put any year. It's quite nice, yeah. It loads okay, add to cart. It loads a little bit slowly, so see if you can, okay. If you can speed it up. But otherwise, yeah, the user experience is there, which is absolutely perfect. Okay, about us page. I would add a little bit more info to this page. This is a really great place to build a rapport and to add more trust signals. This is really important for your conversion rate. So tell about yourself, tell about your team, how long have you been in business, what inspired you to start this particular store, because people really are interested, and it will help you build rapport and also improve your sales. So don't neglect this page. When I clicked on shipping policy, it took me to track my order page, which doesn't load. So make sure to update it. Update this link with your shipping policy. Show your display your delivery rate. Even if you have free delivery, make sure to specify it on the shipping page. Specify if you ship worldwide as well. How long is the delivery? How long is before you dispatch the items? Everything is important. And obviously you have to specify whether the personalized products are dispatched later or not, and also specify on your returns policy whether you can refund for returning personalized items as well. So make sure to keep an eye on that as well. I hope you like this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how our team of Shopify experts can help you boost your SEO, your Google ranking, and your conversion rate, please book a free chat and we'll be happy to prepare a personalized package for you to help you with your Google traffic and with your sales. Book a free chat now. The link is in the email, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.